Dogecoin rises as much as 30% after Twitter home button becomes Doge meme. Dogecoin rose as much as 30% after Twitter users noticed their home buttons changed into the dog meme after which the cryptocurrency is named. Welcome to Long Branch News, your daily source for the latest business news and trends from around the world. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply interested in the world of business, our channel is the perfect place to stay up to date on the latest developments in the industry. From breaking news to in-depth analysis, our team of experienced reporters and analysts brings you the stories that matter most, delivered in a clear and concise format. So if you're ready to stay ahead of the curve and take your business acumen to the next level, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Some Twitter users began to notice the home button in the top left corner of their web browsers, usually the company's solid blue bird logo, replaced with a cartoon of the Shiba Inu that is the face of the Doge meme at around 1:45 p.m. New York time. Dogecoin rose to as high as 10.2 cents from around 7.7 cents after the change. Doge also began to trend on Twitter. He has gleefully moved the memecoins market since taking over as CEO of the social media platform in October. In February, after tweeting a picture of his own pet, a Shiba Inu like the Dogecoin mascot, the token's market cap increased by $500 million. Dogecoin was the first memecoin, or a cryptocurrency that lacks any underlying value aside from its status as a joke. Its levity has not prevented the token from accumulating a massive following, with a market cap surpassing $13 billion. Each coin is still worth less than 10 cents. Musk, an infamous promoter of memes, has often latched onto Dogecoin's internet popularity, even before buying Twitter. In December 2021, he boasted that Tesla would begin accepting Dogecoin for some of its merchandise. The shift comes days after Twitter began making changes to its verification system. Some accounts with so-called legacy verification, like the New York Times, saw their check marks removed. Others have kept their checks with a note they were either blue subscribers or legacy verified accounts. Twitter did not respond to a question about the home button change. At 3:44 p.m. in New York, Twitter owner Elon Musk posted a photo of an earlier exchange in which a Twitter user urged him to change the bird logo to a Doge. Musk tweeted as promised. Thanks for tuning in to Long Branch News today. We hope you found the latest business news and trends informative and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a future update from us. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more high-quality business news content in the days and weeks ahead. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead of the game.